Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Academic Costume. I am Neepa Ghosh. So in this situation, I hope all are doing well. Stay blessed, stay safe in this situation. Okay, the main motto of this channel to sharing something. Okay, sharing knowledge. Okay, by the sharing we can flourish our knowledge. We are not going to teach you something. Okay, we are just want to share with you some information, some preparation, some knowledge, and we also expect from you to also share with us something like that. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So please watch the video. Hopefully you will like the video. Okay, today I'm going to explain about UGC NTA NET Geography. So as we know that NET examination is very important examination in our country as well as students of geography. So it is very obvious and very important thing that for any kind of examination, not only for NET examination, it is very much important for any kind of examination to analyze year questions. Okay. So here I am also going to analyze that year question, that is among many years. Here I am choosing 2014 to 2019. So that is, if I count 14 to 19, that is 6 years. But the important thing is NET organizes twice in a year. So if I calculate that, I get 11 papers, which is equivalent to 10 years or 11 years. Okay. So the matter is, it is topic wise analysis of year question. So we need to know what is the topic or what are the topic. Okay, so geography paper 2 having 10 topics. Okay, that is geomorphology 1, climatology 2, oceanography 3, environment 4, population settlement 5, economic region 6, culture, social, political 7, thought 8, techniques 9, which is practical, and geography of India, that is 10. Okay, so this paper 2 having 10 topics, that is topic wise, right? And another thing is years. Here you can see that from 2019 to 2014 years are distributed like that. Okay, so here you can see that 2019 December, 2019 June, 2018 December and 2018 June. Please concentrate on that 4 years. Okay, that 4 years. The total number of question was 100. Okay, I'm not talking about I'm not talking about the marks division. I'm talking about the total number of question. Okay, that is 100. Each question having 2 marks. Okay, I'm not concerned about marks. I'm talking about that question, number of question. Okay, so for that 4 years the number of question was 100, and if you concern about that 2017 to 2014, you can see the total number of question was 125. Okay, so that is the questions, number of questions. Okay, if you concern about that geomorphology, okay, that geomorphology, you can see that out of 100 in 2019 December, out of 100, 16 question came from geomorphology. In 2019 June, 11 question came from geomorphology, right? 2018 December, 12 question came from geomorphology. If I want to calculate the percentage, so in out of 100, that is 16%, that is 11%, that is 12%, that is 13%. In this way we get the percentage. Okay, so it is about geomorphology. I can calculate this thing only. I can calculate topic wise the distribution of question, topic wise the question distribution, right? Okay, if I concern about that topic only. Okay, suppose if I concern about a single year, so what would be the calculation? Suppose I concern about that 2019 December. Okay, this thing only. So the total number of question was 100. Out of 100 from geomorphology 16 question came. Okay, and out of 100 16 question came from geomorphology. Okay, 6 question came from climatology, 6 from oceanography, 10 from environment, 12 from population. Okay, and 11 from economic region, culture, social, political, 3 from culture, social, political, 9 from thought, and 12 from techniques, and 5 from geography of India. So the percentage distribution are like that. It is a single year wise. Okay, it is year wise, right? And if I talk about geomorphology only, so I can say it is topic wise distribution. That was year wise and it is topic wise. Okay, so it is very much difficult to analyze, to check this entire chart. It is very much difficult. At a glance you cannot understand how many questions came from a single year, how many questions came from a single topic. It is difficult, I know that. So by this chart we can understand, it is possible to understand how many questions came from which specific topic and in which year. Okay, what would be the probability? Okay, we can understand. How come? I will tell you. Suppose if I talk about, as it is, as it is topic wise analysis of year question, we should concern about that topic only. Okay, suppose here I am concerned about geomorphology only. As an example, I would like to say that is 16% question came from geomorphology in 2019, 11% question from 2019 June, 12% from 18 December, 13% from 18 July. Okay, so if you consider this thing only, you get several percentage. Okay, it is difficult to analyze each percentage, so we can do a thing like, if I add that percentage, 16 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus, please concern about this percentage. Okay, that is 12, 13 plus 11% plus 10%. Just I am adding that percentage. Okay, entire 11 numbers. Okay, I am adding, and 7%, 14% and 10. After that, divided with 11. What would I get? I get an average. Okay, so let's see what would be the result. So from geomorphology, the average percentage of question is 12. Highest number of question came from geomorphology. The probability of highest number of question came from geomorphology is 16% question, and the lowest number is 7% question. So we should concern about the average only, that is 12%. Okay, so we don't need to analyze that much big chart. I am just summarize that chart by this small chart. Okay, topic wise overall analysis of your question. This is topic wise. So just I want to tell you that where from I get this this chart. Okay, that's why I am showing this thing only. Okay, so from there we get several things. The highest probability of coming question, the lowest probability of coming question, that is percentage. Percentage would be better to understand, okay, instead of numbers, okay. So here you can see that, so here you can see that 12 question would be came from come from geomorphology, 8 from climatology, it is average percentage, okay. 7 from ocean, it is 7 from environment, population 13, 15, okay. So these are average percentage. So what is the highest average percentage? It is 15. What is the lowest average percentage? That is 6. So the probability of, not the probability, the importance, okay, the importance or the highest number of question came from this chapter probably, and the lowest number of question came from this chapter probably, okay. And the probability of coming question would be like that also, okay. So here I am going to show you another chart. It is also that chart, summarize of that this chart, okay. Okay, so please concern about this chart. There is highest number is 15, after that highest number is 15, after that the in second position, which is the second number, that is 12, okay, and after that we get that 11, okay. So what would be the next chart? Here I am giving some weightage. So here you can see that the highest number of question came from this geography of economic activity and regional development. Highest number of question, 15 question, okay. So keep it in your mind, and you can see here as highest number of question came from that chapter, that's why I give first weightage, that is it take first position, because most of the question came from this chapter, okay. After that 13, after 15 the second position occupied by population settlement geography. So the weightage of population settlement geography, or this position of population settlement geography, is second, okay. According to importance, the position can be set. So the first position occupied by this thing, this chapter, that economic and region, so I am going to read that chapter more, okay. After that second position occupied by population settlement, after that third position occupied by geomorphology, and fourth position occupied by thought, okay. So according to this important decreases, according to this importance increases. So the most of the question came from this chapter, after that this chapter, after that this chapter, after that this, and the very less number of question came from this chapter, okay. So if I compare again the thing, so you can understand that it is average number of question. So you can see from that economic regional chapter, 15 number of 15% of question will come, okay, or can be come, okay. So from that population 13% of question, from geomorphology 12% of question, from thought 11% of, so these chapters are seems to be very important chapters, so we should focus on that chapter instead of that less number of chapter, that less number of chapter, okay, where less number of question can become. So instead of that chapter we should concern about that you know, this chapters, okay. It is a real statistical kind of analysis, so I'm preparing like that. That's why the main motto of the channel, which I have said previously, that the main motto of the channel is to share something which I want to share with you. It doesn't mean I want to teach you, just share. Sharing is the main purpose, okay. So thank you to hear me, okay, thank you so much and take care, bye.